Hello everyone. Today we are learn how to download and install Xampp in Windows. So if you interested, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications. First of all, go to the browser of your Windows and type in search bar Xampp server download. Then click on the first link. Then select your appropriate system version and click on the download. After this, your Xampp server exe file is starting downloading. Here I pause the downloading because I have already downloaded. Open the downloaded exe file. Click on the run button. And then you can show Xampp installation interface. Then click on next button. Again click on next button. Then next. Here installation take few minutes. After complete full installation, if you want to open Xampp directly, but here I not open Xampp directly, so I uncheck the box. Then click on finish button. For open Xampp, click on Xampp icon button. For starting Apache service, click on Apache's start action button. And for starting mysql service, click on mysql's start action button. So here your Xampp server started working. Thank you for watching this video.